Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about the logic gates. That is chapter number 2 in digital electronics. First, we'll discuss about the signals. What is meant by analog signal and what is meant by digital signal. So what is the analog signal? Analog signal means which signal is in continuous form. That signal is called as an analog signal. And what is meant by digital signal? Which signal is in discrete form. That means it has only two levels, high level and low level. That is called a digital signal. Okay. For example, a simple square wave is nothing but what? A digital signal. So in that there is a logic. Now what is meant by logic? Logic is one kind of statement which shows that kind of discrete level. ओके लॉजिक म्हणजेच काय आहे एक स्टेटमेंट आहे जे काय शो करतं तर डिस्क्रीट लेवल शो करतं इट मे बी हाय लेवल और इट मे बी लो लेवल फॉर एग्जांपल that is called a logic. So in that logic gate, that is first word, that is logic. So what is meant by logic? Logic is a statement. It is a statement which shows the discrete level. It may be high or it may be low. Okay. Discrete level मध्ये किंवा discrete signal मध्ये दोनच लेवल असतात. ओके आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही स्क्वेअर वेव्ह घेतलं तर स्क्वेअर वेव्ह मध्ये हा डिस्क्रीट सिग्नल झाला त्याच्यामध्ये एकतर हाय लेवल असेल किंवा काय असेल लो लेवल असेल सो देयर आर ओनली टू लेवल्स आयदर हाय और लो सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड अ टू डिस्क्रीट लेवल्स ओके अँड दॅट इज द डिजिटल सिग्नल त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो डिजिटल सिग्नल म्हणतो सो हे जे हाय आणि लो चं लॉजिक आहे तर हे हाय आणि लो चं लॉजिक म्हणजे काय बघायचं what is meant by high so high means in terms of voltage high means the plus 5 volt जर voltage consider केलं तर high म्हणजे कसं plus 5 volt okay then plus 5 volt means what logically 1 plus 5 volt means काय logically 1 then what is meant by logical 1 means the true value or in terms of LED we can say LED is on LED आपण काय म्हणतो on आहे असं म्हणतो so that is all about the high in terms of switching we can say it is closed switch switching च्या टर्म्स मध्ये आपण काय म्हणतो closed switch म्हणतो high logic म्हणजे काय तर closed switch आता what is meant by closed switch look at here suppose there is a 2 points A and B so these 2 points are connected with each other so that is called a closed switch. Okay. So in that logic, the high logic means in terms of voltage we can say plus 5 volt. In terms of 1 and 0 logic we can say it is 1. In terms of true and false we can say it is true. In terms of LED on off we can say LED is on. And in terms of switching we can say it is closed switch. That means the point A and point B are connected with each other. Is it clear? Now second logic that is called a low logic. Now what is meant by low? In terms of voltage we can say 0 volt. Then in terms of logic 1 and 0 we can say 0. In terms of true and false we can say it is false. And in terms of LED on off it is LED is in off state. Okay. And in terms of switching we can say it is open switch. That means this A and B points are not connected with each other. That is called open switch. So this high and low statement is called as what? A logic. बघा इथं नीट मी काय म्हटलं हे जे हाय आणि लो स्टेटमेंट आहे त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो लॉजिक असं म्हणतो लॉजिक it is a statement in terms of high or in terms of low we can write it. Okay, so if we can write the high means what? In digital electronics it is plus 5 volt. Logically 1 it is true in true and false. And in terms of LED on off we can say LED is on. Okay, and then in terms of switching we can say it is closed. That means A and B points are connected with each other. Low logic means what? It is 0 volt. Then Logically it is 0, then we can say it is false. LED is in offset, and in terms of switching, we can say open switch. That means A and B points are not connected with each other. So that is all about the logic. Is it clear to all of you? So this is logic. Now, what is meant by logic gate? Next term, what is meant by logic gate? Next term, what is meant by logic gate? Look at here. Logic gate means, what is the definition of logic gate? This is an electronic device. This is an electronic device, or we can say a circuit. This is an electronic device or a circuit which has the one or which has one or multiple inputs and only one output, that is called a logic gate. So that is the definition. Look here. Definition for logic gates. This is an electronic device or circuit, we can say, which has one or multiple inputs and only one output. That means in logic gates, there is a multiple input we can provide, or we can provide there a single input also, but output should be single. ते नीट लक्षात घ्या. मल्टिपल इनपुट्स आपण तिथे प्रोव्हाइड करू शकतो किंवा सिंगल इनपुट प्रोव्हाइड करू शकतो, पण आउटपुट हे नेहमी काय पाहिजे, सिंगल पाहिजे. So in a block diagram you can draw the figure for logic gate here like this. So this box consists of a logic gate, and here we can provide a multiple input, for example A to Z, and output is single. So remember, we can provide here inputs one or multiple. But output should be a single. So that is the logic gate diagram. This is the logic gate diagram. So it is clear to all of you what is meant by logic gate. Logic gate has one or multiple inputs, but there is only one output. फक्त तिथे काय असणार आहे, सिंगल आउटपुट असणार आहे, लक्षात घ्या. That is called a logic gate. And what is the definition of logic gate? This is an electronic device or a circuit which gives the relation, or which has, we can say, the multiple inputs, one or multiple inputs and a single output. हे लक्षात घ्या. लॉजिक गेट म्हणजे काय, एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिव्हाइस आहे किंवा सर्किट आहे ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण सिंगल किंवा मल्टिपल इनपुट्स प्रोव्हाइड करू शकतो, पण त्याचा आउटपुट जे असतं ते काय असतं, फक्त एकच असतं. आउटपुट इज ओनली वन. Okay, output is only one. Remember that. So that is called a logic gate. Then next parameter, that is Boolean equation. So what is meant by Boolean equation? So Boolean equation, or we can say expression also. So what is the definition of this Boolean equation or expression? This is a mathematical representation. This is a mathematical representation which gives the relation between inputs and output. Inputs and output. This is called the Boolean equation. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? Boolean equation म्हणतो. नीट लक्ष द्या. What is the definition? This is a mathematical representation which gives the relation between inputs and output. हे एक mathematical equation आहे किंवा representation आहे जे काय गिवन करतं तर इनपुट आणि आउटपुट मधलं रिलेशन. आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल जर नॉट गेट असेल तर नॉट गेटचा आपण बुलियन इक्वेशन कसं लिहितो y = x कॉम्प्लिमेंट. ओके सो हियर y is input and x is input and y is output, remember that. And this is called the Boolean equation. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो Boolean equation म्हणतो किंवा काय म्हणतो एक्सप्रेशन म्हणतो. y = what? x complement. Okay, so this x indicates the input and y indicates the output. So output should be the complement of input. So that is the Boolean equation for what? A NOT gate, for example. Is it clear? So it gives the relation between what? Input and output, and that's why its name is the Boolean equation, or we can say Boolean expression. Is it clear to all of you? What is meant by Boolean equation and what is the definition of Boolean equation? Now the next term or next parameter in this logic gate, that is called a truth table. That is called a truth table. So look at here. What is meant by truth table? So truth table means this is a table. This is a table which gives the combination of inputs, or we can say the different combination of inputs, which gives the different combination of inputs with respective output. With respective output. So this is called a truth table. Truth table means what? This is a table which gives the combination of inputs, or you can say a different combinations of inputs with respective output. So that is the definition of what? A truth table. Is it clear to all of you? What is the definition of truth table? This is a table which gives the combination of inputs with respect to output. So this is the definition of truth table. So whenever we are going to find out this combination, or we can say here the possibilities of inputs. हे लक्षात घ्या. आपण इथं काय म्हणू शकतो इनपुटच्या पॉसिबिलिटीज कशा फाइंड आउट करतो किंवा तर हे इनपुटचं कॉम्बिनेशन आपण कसं फाइंड आउट करतो तर ते फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी इथं फॉर्म्युला आहे. तो फॉर्म्युला म्हणजे काय 2n. So input combinations, we can say input combination is equals to 2n, and here n shows इथं आपण n म्हणजे काय घेतो here n means the number of inputs. n means the number of inputs. For example, we are providing there two inputs for the logic gate. जर आपण दोन इनपुट प्रोवाइड केले लॉजिक गेटला तर पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन्स किती असतील 2:2, दॅट मीन्स 4 कॉम्बिनेशन्स आहेत. ओके, जर दोन इनपुट प्रोवाइड केले तर पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन्स किती असतील 4 कॉम्बिनेशन्स असतील. इफ यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग द 3 इनपुट्स then possible combinations are 2:3, that is 8. If you are providing the 4 inputs then possible combinations are 2:4, that means 16. So it consists with 16 number of rows. If we are providing the 4 inputs to the gate, logic gate. जर आपण लॉजिक गेटला 4 इनपुट्स देत असू तर आपल्याला किती कॉलम्स मिळतात, सॉरी किती रोज मिळतात, 16 रोज मिळतात. हे लक्षात घ्या. So we are getting the 16 different possibilities, we are getting the 16 different combinations, or we can say we are getting the 16 different rows. Is it clear? If we are providing the 4 number of inputs, if we are providing the 2 number of inputs, then we are getting the 4 different combinations. Is it clear? So that is the part of, or we can say this is the part of the truth table. ओके, आणि हे ट्रूथ टेबल मध्ये आपल्याला यूज करायचं when we are finding the combination. So that there is a important thing where first trace the number of inputs. So how many inputs are provided to that लॉजिक गेट, हे पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं आणि त्याच्यावरून आपण काय करू शकतो, नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन्स फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. ओके, सो इट्स लाईक अ प्रोबॅबिलिटी. जसं आपण प्रोबॅबिलिटी मध्ये 2 पॉईंट घेतले, म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपण 2 इनपुट्स घेतले, तर त्या 2 पॉईंटच्या प्रोबॅबिलिटीज काय असतात, एक तर आयदर दोन्ही टेल असतील, एक टेल एक हेड असेल, एक हेड एक टेल असेल, किंवा दोन्ही काय असतील, हेड असतील. सो दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ प्रोबॅबिलिटी. सो सिमिलरली ज्यावेळी आपण इथे नंबर ऑफ इनपुट्स घेतो, सो इट हॅज different probabilities. Remember that. Okay, याच्यामध्ये पण काय असणार आहे, तर डिफरंट प्रोबॅबिलिटीज असणार आहे. सो या इनपुटची प्रोबॅबिलिटीज आपण कशा ठरवतो, तर युजिंग दिस फॉर्म्युला 2n. Remember that. And here n is nothing but what, the n means the number of input. जेवढे नंबर ऑफ इनपुट्स आपण प्रोव्हाइड केले ते आपण रेस टू n म्हणजे 2 रेस टू ची व्हॅल्यू घेतो, म्हणजे n. Is it clear? And we are finding the different combination. Okay, so this is all about the truth table. Now the next part, that is called the symbol. Symbol means what? So we know that every electronic component has specific symbol, like a resistor. Resistor has symbol, and that's why we can distinguish in a circuit that is the resistor. Similarly, there is a symbol for capacitor, and that's why we can distinguish in a circuit that is the capacitor. So similarly, for logic gates there are different symbols. Remember that. Okay, for NOT gate there is a different symbol. For AND gate there is a different symbol. For OR gate there is a different symbol. So there are different symbols in a logic gate. Remember that. So using this symbol we can design the logical diagram. What I said, using this symbol we can design the logical diagram, and using that logical diagram we can write the Boolean expression. So in board exam there are different questions asked based on this concept. या concept वर board exam ला वेगवेगळे क्वेश्चन विचारले जातात, त्याच्यामध्ये डिफरंट लॉजिकल डायग्राम दिले जातात आणि त्याच्यावरून आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं असतं, तसं Boolean equation find out करायचं. Remember, so using this logical diagram we can find their Boolean expression or Boolean equation, or sometimes in that exam Boolean equation is given. Exam मध्ये काय देतात, Boolean equation देतात, and using that Boolean equation we can draw their logical diagram. Okay, त्या Boolean equation चा यूज करून आपल्याला काय करायचं असतं, लॉजिकल डायग्राम ड्रॉ करायचं. And this logical diagram is made using the logical symbol. Remember that. ही जी लॉजिकल डायग्राम आहे ती कशाचा यूज करून आपण ड्रॉ करतो, तर लॉजिक सिम्बॉल यूज करून आपण ड्रॉ करतो. ओके, अँड दॅट्स व्हाय देयर इज अ नीड ऑफ दिस सिम्बॉल्स. रिमेंबर दॅट. आणि म्हणूनच इथं कशाची गरज आहे, तर सिम्बॉलची गरज आहे. सो सिम्बॉल म्हणजे काय, इट इज अ लॉजिकल सिम्बॉल इन लॉजिक गेट्स. ओके, सिम्बॉल म्हणजे काय असतो, लॉजिकल सिम्बॉल असतो कशामध्ये, लॉजिक गेट्स मध्ये. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, फॉर नॉट गेट वी आर ड्रॉइंग दिस काइंड ऑफ सिम्बॉल. There is a triangle, and in front of that triangle there is a bubble. So that is the symbol of what, the NOT gate. Okay, हा जो मी इथे सिम्बॉल ड्रॉ केला आहे तो आहे NOT गेट चा सिम्बॉल आहे, NOT गेट सिम्बॉल. ओके, सो जसं मी सांगितलं रेजिस्टरला सिम्बॉल असतो, कॅपॅसिटरला सिम्बॉल असतो. At the same way for different logic gates there is a different symbol, and using that symbol we can distinguish that particular gate. या सिम्बॉलचा यूज करून आपण काय करतो बाळांनो, गेट डिस्टिंग्विश करतो. इज इट क्लियर? सो दॅट इज ऑल अबाउट द सिम्बॉल. नाउ द टाइप्स ऑफ गेट्स we discuss now, the types of logic gates. Next the types of logic gates. The types of logic gates. So there are basically two types. First type that is called the basic gates. First type that is called the basic gates. So in that basic gates there are different types. In basic gates there are different subtypes. So first one, OR gate. First one, OR gate. Second one, AND gate. And third one, that is NOT gate. Third one, that is NOT gate. So in logic gates, there are different types. Actually, there are two basic types. First one, the basic gates. In basic gates, again there are three subtypes: OR gate, AND gate, and NOT gate. And second type is there, that is called derived gate. Okay, derived gate. Again, derived gate consists three different types. First one, the NOR gate. Second one, the NAND gate. NAND gate. And third one, that is exclusive OR. Sometimes you can call it XOR gate or capital X OR. So these are the subtypes you can say of derived gate. So basically in logic gates there are two basic types. First one, basic gate and derived gate. Again in basic gate there are three different types: OR gate, AND gate, and NOT gate. Again in derived gates there are three different types: NOR gate, NAND gate, exclusive OR gate, or you can say XOR gate or capital X OR gate. Is it clear to all of you? So this is the different types of logic gates, and in this topic we will discuss about these different types one by one. ओके, त्या टॉपिक मध्ये आपल्याला हे सगळे टाइप्स वन बाय वन काय करायचे, लर्न करायचे. आणि हे सगळे टाइप्स लर्न केल्यानंतर त्याच्या रिलेटेड काही कन्सेप्ट्स आपल्याला या टॉपिक मध्ये बघायचे. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? सो दिस इज द टाइप्स ऑफ लॉजिक गेट्स. अगेन द टाइप्स ऑफ लॉजिक गेट्स आर basically two types: basic gates and derived gates. In basic gates again there are three types, which are they: OR gate, AND gate, and NOT gate. Then in derived gates there is a NOR gate, NAND gate, and exclusive OR gate. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, XOR gate म्हणतो किंवा capital X OR gate म्हणतो. Now in derived gates there are two gates, NAND gate and NOR gate. These two gates are also called as a universal gate. त्या दोन्ही गेटला आपण आणखी एक नाव देतो, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, युनिव्हर्सल गेट म्हणतो. आता युनिव्हर्सल गेटचा अर्थ काय असतो? व्हॉट इज मीन बाय युनिव्हर्सल गेट? युनिव्हर्सल गेट and why these two gates are called universal gate? So look at here, because using these two gates, okay, त्या दोन्ही गेटचा यूज करून either NOR gate किंवा NAND gate, त्या गेटचा यूज करून आपण कुठलाही लॉजिक सर्किट काय करू शकतो किंवा लॉजिक गेट डिझाइन करू शकतो. What I said, using NOR gate or using NAND gate, we can design any logic gate, and that's why these two gates are called universal gate. म्हणूनच या दोन्ही गेटला काय म्हणतात जातं बाळो, युनिव्हर्सल गेट म्हणतात. ओके, NOR गेट आणि NAND गेटला युनिव्हर्सल गेट का म्हणतात जातं? कारण युजिंग दिस NOR गेट अँड NAND गेट, NOR गेटचा यूज करून किंवा NAND गेटचा यूज करून आपण कुठलंही गेट डिझाइन करू शकतो. ते बेसिक गेट असू दे किंवा derived gate असू दे. And that's why these two gates are called universal. Okay, so in this lecture first we discuss about the OR gate. After the types we discuss about the OR gate, and the OR gate is first type of basic gate. Okay, actually logic gates has two types. Just I told you, first type is basic gate. Okay, आणि basic gates मधला आपण पहिला टाइप बघणार आहोत, तो म्हणजे कुठला आहे, OR gate. So look here, this OR gate is also called as an inclusive OR gate. OR gate ला आपण आणखी एक नाव देतो inclusive. जसं आपण derived मध्ये exclusive OR gate बघितलं, म्हणून ह्या simple OR gate ला आपण काय म्हणतो, inclusive OR gate. हे पण एक लक्षात ठेवा. This OR gate is also called as a what? Inclusive OR gate. ओके, आता याचा सिम्बॉल कसा असतो पहिल्यांदा बघूया आपण. लुक एट हियर, सिम्बॉल ऑफ OR गेट. वी जस्ट प्रोव्हाइड हियर टू इनपुट्स नाउ. इथं आपण फक्त आता दोन इनपुट प्रोव्हाइड करतो. किती इनपुट प्रोव्हाइड करू शकतो आपण OR गेटला? आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल A आणि B हे इनपुट आहे, तर Y हे त्याचं काय असणार आहे, आउटपुट. आणि दिस इज द सिम्बॉल ऑफ व्हॉट, OR गेट. हा जो मी इथे ड्रॉ केला आहे तो काय आहे OR गेटचा सिम्बॉल आहे. So this figure shows this symbol of OR gate. Now second parameter, what is the Boolean equation? So y is equals to a plus b. So that is the Boolean equation for OR gate. Y is equals to a plus b. This is the Boolean equation for OR gate. This is the Boolean equation for the OR gate. This is the Boolean equation for the OR gate, or Boolean expression we can say. Y is equals to a plus b. This plus sign indicates ORing function. Okay, हा plus sign काय indicate करतो? OR functioning indicate करतो. हे लक्षात ठेवा. So this plus sign indicates the OR functioning. Is it clear to all of you? This figure A is symbol of OR gate. ज्यावेळी आपण OR gate चा symbol draw करणार त्यावेळी आपल्याला अशाच पद्धतीचा symbol draw करायचा आहे हे लक्षात घ्या. जसा रेझिस्टरचा symbol असतो, कॅपॅसिटरचा सिम्बॉल असतो त्याच पद्धतीने हा OR गेटचा सिम्बॉल आणि ह्या सिम्बॉलवरून आपण डिस्टिंग्विश करतो की हा OR गेट आहे. ओके, सो त्यासाठी हा सिम्बॉल आपल्याला माहित असणं गरजेचं आहे. ओके, सो दॅट्स व्हाय दिस सिम्बॉल इज व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. सो युजिंग दिस सिम्बॉल वी कॅन डिस्टिंग्विश डिफरंट गेट्स. So this is the symbol of what? OR gate. And here we are going to provide the two inputs. So when we can provide the two inputs, then in truth table, how many possible combinations are there? Yes, obviously the possible combinations are 4. किती combinations असणार आहे ट्रूथ टेबल मध्ये 4 combinations असतात. So inputs are A and B here. Inputs कुठले कुठले आहेत? A and B input आहेत. Okay, and possible combinations are 4. And what should be the output? Output Y. Output Y is equal to A plus B. So we can just add these two inputs here. Okay. हे ORing शो करतात म्हणजे काय करायचं आपल्याला इनपुट A आणि B ची ऍडिशन करायचं. ती ऍडिशन कशा पद्धतीने करायची बघा. सपोज वी कॅन कन्सिडर देयर आर टू इनपुट्स. बोथ इनपुट्स आर there are two inputs, input A and input B, and both inputs are 0. So when we are providing here both inputs are 0 0. So y is equal to actually what? A plus B. So 0 plus 0, what is the answer? 0. Answer is 0. So output of the OR gate must be equal to what? 0. When we can provide input A is 0 and B is 1. आता बघा input मी इथं 0 A 0 प्रोवाइड केलं आणि B 1 प्रोवाइड केलं. So when A is 0 plus B is 1, then what should be the output? Output is equal to what? 1. We are getting output is equal to what? 1. Next combination we are going to use here. A is 1 and B is 0. आता जर A 1 असेल आणि B 0 असेल, when we can provide A 1 and B 0, then what should be the output here? 1 plus 0. Output is again 1. We are getting output is 1. Now the last one, when both inputs are 1 1. What I said, when both inputs are 1 1, then what happens? Look here, when both inputs are 1 1. So here we cannot apply the binary arithmetic. Remember that. इथं आपल्याला binary arithmetic नाही apply करायचं. जसं binary arithmetic मध्ये आपण 1 plus 1 number system मध्ये आपण बघितलं होतं. Okay, so that part we discussed in number system. So in that number system 1 plus 1 is sum 0 and carry 1 we can take. Okay, sum 0 घेत होतो आपण आणि carry काय होती 1 होती. पण इथं OR gate मध्ये नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायचं 1 plus 1, that means we can consider here high plus high. Output is high. Is it clear? High plus high, output is high. In terms of 1 and 0, 1 plus 1, output is 1. So OR gate मध्ये एवढं फक्त लक्षात ठेवा, ज्यावेळी आपण 1 plus 1 म्हणतो OR gate मध्ये त्यावेळी आउटपुट काय असतं 1 असतं किंवा आपण लॉजिकली काय म्हणू हाय. Is it clear? Now the definition. What is the definition? Last parameter, definition of OR gate. आता इथे definition आपण कशी लिहिणार? Definition. If look here, if A is true, if A is true, A is what input, A is true, or that sentence is very important, or B is true, B is true, then Y is true. What I said, if A is true or B is true, then Y is true. Look at here. What is the meaning of that definition? True means what? Just I explained this concept in logic. ट्रू मीन्स लॉजिकली पण. मी आता सांगितलं की ट्रू म्हणजे काय असतं, लॉजिकली पण किंवा आपण लॉजिकली हाय कन्सिडर करतो. सो ज्यावेळी ए ट्रू असेल किंवा लॉजिकली पण असेल किंवा बी ट्रू असेल किंवा लॉजिकली पण असेल, त्याच वेळी आउटपुट काय असेल 1, अदरवाइज आउटपुट काय असेल 0 असेल. Otherwise output should be equals to what? A 0. So what is the definition of OR gate nuclear? If A is true or B is true, then Y is true. Is it clear to all of you? If A is true, or this sentence is very important. We are in OR gate, and that's why I can take a sentence or B is true, then Y is true. Otherwise, output is Y is false. In terms of high and low logic, we can say if input A is high or input B is high, then output Y is high. Otherwise, output Y is low. In terms of ones and zeros, we can say if input A is 1 or input B is 1, then output Y is 1. Otherwise, output Y is 0. Is it clear to all of you? So that is the definition. You can write this definition any way. हे लक्षात घ्या. तुम्ही definition कशी लिहू शकता? कुठल्याही लॉजिक मध्ये ट्रू अँड फॉल्स मध्ये लिहू शकता, 1 आणि 0 मध्ये लिहू शकता किंवा हाय आणि लो मध्ये सुद्धा लिहू शकता. ओके, इथे ट्रूच्या जागी फक्त हाय यूज करायचा आहे किंवा 1 यूज करायचा आहे, आणि जर फॉल्स असेल तर फॉल्सच्या जागी 0 किंवा लो यूज करायचं, एवढं लक्षात ठेवा. सो दिस इज द ट्रूथ टेबल ऑफ OR gate and this is the definition of what? OR gate. Okay, after these 4 parameters we'll discuss about the logic circuit of OR gate in next lecture. Is it clear to all of you, this part up to OR gate? So first thing in this lecture we discuss about the what is meant by logic, then we discuss about the logic gates, then we discuss about there are two types basically, basic gates and derived gates. Basic gates consists again 3 different types. Which are they? First one the OR gate, second one AND gate, and third one NOT gate. In derived gates again there are 3 types: NOR gate, NAND gate, and exclusive OR gate. Is it clear? So this NOR and NAND is also called as a universal gate. Why it is called universal gate? Because using these 2 gates we can design any other gate, and that's why it is called universal gate. This NOR gate or this NAND gate. These gates are called universal gate. Remember that. Is it clear to all of you? And this is 4 parameters of the OR gate we discussed today. And in next lecture we discuss about the logic circuit of OR gate and truth table of OR gate. Okay, so today we will stop here.